Hey folks, just got up, well, about 15-20 minutes ago, or I did. Greg already had a pot of coffee brewing. Hear a train going in the background. Got some breakfast cooking, some spam and taters. Get that cooked up. Eat. Should be about warm enough. Time we get all packed up, all our gear packed up. Take off up to the falls. Slept pretty good last night. I guess I got about 7 hours sleep. Got a little chilly. I didn't get as warm as I thought I was gonna get, but I still slept good though. But anyways, let's see what we can do around here. This place is so trashy. I don't know why folks can't take care of things. Take care of nature, whatever. See Greg and the edge of the bushes over there, getting the fire stoked up, I guess. Trying to get that spam done and the taters. But listen to them birds. Greg was doing some fishing earlier. He didn't catch anything. But anyways, we're gonna eat breakfast and then get loaded up and head on out. So we'll see y'all up around the falls somewhere. There's my motorcycle sitting right there. Greg's is on the other side of my hammock right there. Alright then, just for that. We'll holler at y'all folks later.